participated and voted for my lovely wife. And one of the things that I admire and love about Marcel is that she's a risk taker. I mean, it's not easy to take risks, especially in this industry where you have so many voices and people telling you which direction that you should go. But Marcy continues to try and push her boundaries and inspire everyone around her, myself included. So I am happy and honored to be presenting to the love of my life, the one and only agency in the Philippines, the Billboard Philippines People's Choice Award. Marcy.
Incredible Morissette.
I want to be here to work for everyone that just shed their love and light throughout the years. Keep moving forward and believe that you are meant for great things.
Billboard Philippines People's Choice Awardee, Morissette Amon.
Ano yung ibibigay nila? Bakit?
Thank you. Hello everybody. Are we okay? Are we good? Are we enjoying the night? All lovely ladies are we here? So yeah!
Yeah.
Is everyone out there doing great?
Yeah.
Once again, I'm very, very grateful for this. Thank you, first and foremost, to Billboard PH for recognizing me with this category alongside some very iconic and very empowered women in our industry who I personally look up to. Miss Barty, we loved your performance kanina, grabe rock and roll. Thank you so much for that. And of course, to all the fans po and all the supporters who have voted for me, and not just for me, to my fellow nominees as well. Siyempre, mga nag-vote kay Miss Barbie, kay Miss Arnie, kay Nadine, kay Yang, kay KZ. I shared this award with them. Thank you so much for continuing to support your favorite OPM female artists. I'm just very, very grateful for this award. Being on the road of trying to reinvent myself and just hoping to grow in this industry. Of course, there have been so many exciting and exciting experiences, and it really is a humbling journey. With that also, of course, come the low moments in time, the down times, and yung mga moments na parang kaya ba talaga natin itong abutin yung mga new hacks na tinitake natin, worth it ba talaga?